Hi guys, my name is Isra and today I'm going to show you how to make this rosemary infused oil. What you'll need are 2 ingredients, rosemary and a carrier oil. First, wash the rosemary and then pat it dry. Remove the leaves from the center, from the stem. Rosemary has many benefits. It's great for stimulating hair growth and it's great for preventing dandruff and preventing or limiting the growth of gray hair. The carrier oil I'm using here is sweet almond oil. You can use coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil. And I placed about half a cup of the oil into the bowl, and then making a double boiler where you have a pot with some water, let that water boil, and then put the glass bowl over the hot water. And then turn down the heat, let the water simmer until the rosemary gets infused into the oil. And you'll know it's ready when the rosemary has changed in color. Let the mixture cool down for a bit and then place it into a bottle. Here I'm using an amber colored bottle to preserve it well. Here I'm showing you how my hair looks like. And this was a couple months ago actually, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm applying the oil months after using it for a couple of times. So I'm wetting my hair here, and having some water on your hair will be better for the absorption of the oil into your hair. So my hair is on the drier side, so I had to use quite a bit of water. I'm going to place the link to this bottle in the description box below. Place the rosemary oil on the ends of your hair. Here I'm going to speed up the video just to show you. I'm massaging it into my scalp using the tips of my fingers, not my nails. You don't want to use your nails here. And to increase the effect of this oil, you can place a plastic bag on your head to create this greenhouse effect, to trap the heat and allow for the rosemary to penetrate into the follicles of your hair. I kept it on for about 15 minutes and then I used shampoo. So here I've washed my hair. I used the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I'll place the links to those down below as well. I'm going to be using the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. Another product that I'm showing you that I sometimes use on my hair, so I won't be using it right now, but it's the Curl Power from Lush. And the gel that I'll be using is from Jonathan Torch, and it's called Curl Keeper. And I like to add some more water, so I'll brush my hair out and then add the cream and then add some water too, just so it can really get into my hair. I've noticed such a huge difference when I do this technique and my hair looks more curly, more defined curls. So working it throughout my hair and then using the Denman brush. I've noticed that this brush has been the best for really defining my curls. And brushing away from your head as you're doing this to give your hair as much volume as possible. And you'll know that you have had enough product in your hair when it's making this like sort of crunchy or sound, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like. But you don't want too much where you actually see the product come out when you do crunch it up. And then making sure that you get the product at the back of your head and the gel as well, placing it around your hair gently. Here I used a diffuser for my hair, and this is the end result. I like to put my hand under my hair and like shake my hair up to get more volume. Yeah, I do notice a huge difference with the rosemary oil. I've noticed that my hair does look more voluminous. I've noticed there is more hair growth. So highly recommend rosemary oil. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.